Good day to all Sierra Leonean. Whatever Hausa you dey. This is the program called Love Salon and Left by that. Me where they talk to Unamina Adebayo. The people in the salon today, the 23 of May 2020. The people today, I get a very important message for Una again today. And I can always tell Una say, if we sleep, we wake, nothing will happen. Let we tell Papa God, thank you. My people in the salon today, I got three important messages for Una again today. Mumpame, but, and Tuna not say that story with the pool. We go continue for pull the story where people they want for hearing. We go continue for say the things that where people they want for know. And Tuna not say na inside soldier team na don't form soldier. And na inside pauper na don't form paupernistic. My people in the salon. Sierra Leoneans, let we stand up, let we focus, and let we pay attention. Today, my first message here is, and they go to the ex-combatants them, where they Sierra Leone, when are ex-soldiers them, including the police that where they just don't sack, the soldier that where they can't sack, or the soldier that where they don't sack. This message they go to the people where they advocate for the APC in social media. And this message they go for the APC executive and the membership, all of APC, including supporters. This message they go for now. And this message they go again for the grassroots of APC. And this message they go again for the grassroots who not belong to no political party. And this message, they also go again for the Love Salon supporters, them, sympathizers, them. The Love Salon fans, them. And the Love Salon executive. And the Love Salon's membership. This message, they go for all. Somebody go sit down and ask, say, what are they by or mean? And this message, they also go to the SLPP grassroots. So the one that we know they see along with Mother Bio, the pauper. This message now for Una the SLPP them again. We know they go along with the pauper. Somebody go sit down in corner and say, what are they by or one for can say again today? Sit down in the corner, patient, and try to understand what are they by or they can't talk. My people in the salon. Now we get over 35% of prisoners where they Pandemba Road. Una know why they did it for? Una sabi what to make them did it? Una understand why make them did it? Let me tell Una now what they happen. The pauper governments, the Tinadian in and get a strategy where they don't put in place. They start out with one honorable road and go put because it make a statement at one WhatsApp group, they screenshot them. Now, let me tell you now what they do. They don't turn Reki, then APC group, then Love Salon, Friends of Adebayo. All that they don't turn Reki. Now, let me tell you now. When you type something where they go against the SLPP, bad one, or you talk something in the screenshot and girls and they send the post and the number. Then they trace your number. If you're a man, then they use woman per you. If you're a woman, then they use man per you. Or then they use Africell or Airtel. Then, sorry. Now, them people are then they use. Then they use CID them. From people them. People them they today na Panemba Road. Why make them they say because they talk something against the president. Why make today they say because they talk against pauper. Why make today they say they threaten people them. Now, it make them all them people here. They go put them Panema Road. Over 35% of the population with the Panema Road. Now, within these 2 years, 2 months, me people them. And this is a reliable source at the ghetto now. People in the feel pain. Where today some of them even be victim when they kill na Panema Road. Make I tell you now this today, yeah? Now, why are they come up with all the ideas here and put them together? We get one big folks right now waiting at the social media where I know they tell nobody say we are not listening. I know they tell nobody say for make we not follow them. But one thing I want to make clear to all them people here who don't put in measures the APC, the executive, the ex-combatants, them. This is not the reason why they come with this message for make everybody understand. Today we get somebody in a social media by the name called Pongai. This Pongai, I don't listen several years of he audios them. I don't understand everything where he they talk. People and they forward them to me, I they listen them. Every audio he pull, I they listen them. And I they see people are waiting at the APC group and they share them back. Then they listen them. Then they're happy for them. But they're not able to understand the ethic of the repercussion of waiting there to happen. But one thing I want to tell Sierra Leoneans them, as Sierra Leone put first. One thing I want to tell Sierra Leoneans them, as Sierra Leone love. And one thing I want to tell Sierra Leoneans them, as Sierra Leone cherish. That pa and that mommy will not get power, let them not endanger their life them. The people that were innocent, let them not die, let them not suffer for something where they for suffer for. Now, I take me time for analyze about Pongai. Where I listen to the one audio again, where Pongai they talk say, me and him they fight the same fight with the see one side. I want to tell all the Sierra Leoneans them say no, me and Pongai know they see one side. We know they are one organization. Love Salon vision and Love Salon ideas is far different from Pongai in ideas them. Sit down and listen and patient. You go understand what they talk about Pongai. Pongai don't make them clear say Inga for go rule saloon. Adeba no ever get intention for go rule saloon. Adeba no ever get the plan say this thing what they do now for go be president. Adeba they do this for let democracy prevail na saloon. Adeba they do this for make justice prevail na Sierra Leone. Adeba they do this for let youthman and get work. Adeba they do this for let everybody free for do what they want for do. What's not the right thing? Adeba they do this for make what we went on to oversee. We said no salon on suites now. Let we go there because we want a salon suite. Adeba they do this for let we all like Sierra Leone. Let we put the country first. I know they do this for go be minister or honorable or president. That clarify that side there for Unami people. Now, let me hit the nail to the point straight. Now, my people, we all know here, inside these 3-4 days, either incitement talk don't begin a loss. Now, people are out. And about the incite because I still completely they defend that statement they say a lie. I still they completely defend the youths them say the youths they not to them they commit violence. The youth they not get gun. The youth they not get cutlass. The youth they not get nothing. They not get work. They tell me not to the youth they na soldier there, not to the youth they na police there, not to the youth there na this na that. But yes, still and they claim say na the youth there where the youth they not do nothing. They're innocent. Now, Pongai don't threaten this government within a power. Say don't give them 72 hours. Pongai don't talk say in get Monday na the gun. In the pool mother bill, now I don't give them till October. Pongai don't talk all kind word. Now social media. But one day today, me people the SLPP government, they no ever, nobody, no minister, no radio station, no civil society, no ever condemn what Pongai they talk. Pongai they say get 3,000-4,000 man in a salon. Then get all thing for go pull mother bill. Then they go fight. Then they do this. Then they do everything. But one day today, no SLPP folks, I know you no audio for the past 3 weeks while they monitor, while angry camera. Nobody no ever come and counter Pongai. Nobody no ever come from the government for can say what Pongai they talk so a wrong, a this, a that. But Adeba and Mami curse. Then basta pick away the parole and get the ball man and go to the United Nations. Then go to all the organizations then. Say Adeba or the insights. Where is the incite when Amami cost and they talk about? when I make this government today, the international community not take them serious safe. That you now one part the biggest secret, yeah? Now we all remember where Cherry Coco Can in London, where somebody make an ask question. The person get it, yeah, remember. He said, what thing we go do for police government where they have power, where they can beat and kill with people in Sierra Leone? The SLPP Secretary General went on the podium, a full press release, saying a threat to the states. Where some Alaki Tinedian in APC people where they London, then forced that man for go apologize. When the same London, and then somebody make video under an escrow time, and they tell a lot of people and say, then they go start the war of freedom. But they don't ever tell that person they say they apologize. I want to take note of what I talk to. It's very important. Today we all see Lima, the kind of thing the way they do in the country. Today we all see what Attila don't do to your brother Sheriff Ukeru. Now Attila make them go arrest Quetta. Now Attila make them go arrest Sheriff Ukeru 2 days, he die. Attila don't commit all them crime here. One day today the SLPP government don't say Attila the inside. Now, all what Pongai don't talk, then the SLPP, the government and the area, but one day they not come and say, Pongai the inside. But other than they say the inside, they say Adebayo. You know why? I want to know all the way there so, let us use a sense of make-upness. I not tell you, say, let us not listen. But my advice to the Love Salon supporters, executive, sympathizers, fans, we not get any discussion with Pongai. I not sabi him, and not sabi me. Una the people are waiting at APC. Una not get no discussion with Pongai. Una the ex-combatant, in fact, now una more than set this trap for. Pongai, they use their statement they are. Anybody will follow and talk. A number in the screenshot and send outside them for send them. Pongai, they talk them here, a day on mission. Pongai get in dream, he get in mission, and no waiting in the because with that statement they are where Pongai they make, the SLPP government not pull no press release for that. The SLPP government and not talk anything about them. They concentrate on Adebayo in an ordinary mami cause they cause. I want to all una the APC, una the supporters, una the ex-combatants them. Then talk them all way Pongai, they talk say, then get man then get soldier then get ex-combatant man then. Anybody will go join Pongai, but then talk them there. I want to let you know say go get yourself for blame tomorrow. As I say, I know they stop nobody for letting not listen. I know they stop nobody for letting not talk, for letting not wait. But una not get any discussion with her. Una use una sense of make-upness. Una go understand say something is going on and they can play game. But one thing what they tell Sierra Leoneans them, this guy now from the south, this guy now from the SLPP, the power government, this guy now from them. So nobody know. Nobody no understand. Me Adebayo I understand exactly the game what they play. Now he make a no. He don't call me there, I no respond. I get me reason and I dey keep them to myself. But one thing I want to tell you now the APC. One thing I want to tell you now against Madabio, we not get any discussion with Pongai. It's a game. I want to know what everything. And somebody just ask question, then pull press release the government. That statement they are where Pongai make, if now Adebayo will be maker. Una no say and they take that audio and then carry and go. So una don't believe say this man na this, na that. Pongai don't say then the sponsor Monday na tongue for go kill Madabio. Pongai don't talk all kind, don't give Madabio 72 hours. Now don't give until October. Adebayo will not give dates, no nothing. They lie pan and say give dates. Say then they go burn pan neighborhood. Una know why they do this audio? I got for reach society tomorrow. This audio na get for be me witness for tell Sierra Leoneans them say nobody know they complicate Adebayo. And me and Pongai, I don't sabi, I don't sabi me. I don't know him. Even he puts in pictures, so the person say na Pongai this, but I don't sabi. I know Facebook, I know one day watching program, but I don't listen to him audio them. So by Ponga, for tell people and say, na me and the scene at the same side, we then at the same organization. No, me and Ponga and other no organization. Let make them clear to the Sierra Leoneans them. Let una understand, especially una the ex-combatant, the una the APC. If una go begin get discussion with that guy, I want una know say una go get yourself for blame. This time a warning, and I just put that to the public. Let the public understand exactly what thing they happen. Right? And we all sabi the statement the way Ponga don't make. And we all sabi the statement the way Adebayo they make. And we all sabi the statement the way other people they make. But why not Adebayo and people from the APC now then they make that statement? If they make that statement, they are like that big problem. Silver Blinding, ordinary talk, we call Adebayo in name. Today, I ain't get a problem. So, now look side day. When be say Ponga don't use words the way bad pass waiting Sylvia talk. But una ever hear this government, they talk about her. Una ever hear them go after and then put press release na threat to the state. Una ever hear then they talk about that? No. So I want make una take note and make una pay attention. This time my first message, me people. My second message today, me people na Sierra Leone. I can always tell the SLPP say, especially the pauper, the Haiku People's Army government, and they think above them. Whether they think for tomorrow, me don't think day before yesterday for tomorrow. And the 2 days are above them. Now make them clear to the SLPP, the Haiku People's Army government. Now, una see what they happen today. They not pull no press releases. Una know why they not pull press releases? Just because Adebayo make them clear. Say I know they talk all thing. I go only talk when una pull press release. Then I dey kind side. Now they're afraid they not pull no press releases. Now I want to talk to Marcella Samba. Marcella Samba, Mama Mbombo first. This is a greeting. Ramadan done today. Mami Cosne de poil fast. Now, Madabio don't go give una money, una the civil society. Now, because Adebayo don't talk, say, how the international community, now they no more go sit down between APC and SLPP before we the grassroots accept, and that's what you get for be. Now, they don't call una all when at the civil society, the civil bastard picking the way then at that Sunday. Now they say now una for can champion the peace. I don't tell una say Salon no get war, not to peace. Salon no get war. All the peace na Salon na SLPP get her. Because now then they kill people. APC no ever take guns say they go fight SLPP. They never go na bush. So whose peace so they want make? All the peace. Una left the people una they intimidate. Una stop for sack people them. Una stop for jail people them. Una give people a freedom of speech. If una not work, una not go more people them again. But una one get una not work. Una they suppress people them. No democracy, no freedom of speech, no justice to the country. Then una say peace. Who's peace? Now let me tell una, they not go give the civil society. They say na them for can't call. And every day they talk this word. All these 2 days are the talker. If you try that one day, now you force at the beginning cost you mama. So tell you the way why they cost mother be mama is small. Why they begin cost you mama? You don't say na me Adebayo na me cost you mama. You know me they remind you this word. You know power get wisdom. I don't say you not a fool man. Me I don't say you not a fool man. But they give you wake up call still let you understand what thing they happen. I want to know say we the people of Sierra Leone, the religious council, the civil society, we not trust them, we not guarantee them for nothing again in that country there. And let me tell you now, all what that happen within these 2 years, 2 months, all the organization that will not been the talk for the people them, will not been the voice out. People that will not say anything about what they happen. He said, now you want can't talk. Told me, mommy, I go cost you, mama. Would they put you down? And I want for me to know, APC, say we, the grassroots, Now that country, we don't expect, we don't believe the religious council again. We don't expect, we don't believe the civil society again anymore. The only way we go happy, we go glad, we know say Salone go get sanity. Now where the international community they see don't mean do so APC they so SLPP they so then they highlight the problem then because the problem then for solve not to peace. We be don't get peace, then we don't sign peace. That's alone. In America, we don't get peace talk there. We don't get to Nigeria. We don't get to Yamasoko. We don't get to na Togo. We don't get to na Bichimani. Last year back, we get Bichimani 3. So it's kind of peace again, they want for go. Whether that lawyer woman be go talk and say, this not a peace. Because you don't go call peace, you just sack people from the work them. One region, one tribe. Where the woman talk on run after them. So we get for make that the people they understand. The religious council, the civil society, una all force where they go give them money, una mama them bombo them 1-1, una mama them toto them 1-1. Masala Samba no. You need to make you letter, the begin read that you Samba letter. You sabi, you know. You are gentle. Then I know, I they call the data we go fuck Madabio. If it's not sabi, I know. The tell always go fuck Madabio, you must Samba. I know. You understand? You and gentle, not so you can buy the mercy for. Now you they buy the spray for gentle. When gentle ready for go fuck you, now you they buy the spray. Marcela Samba sabi that one day. You left all that thing and then you hope you mama and bombo. Where Madabio they go give you money. Say that you the can't champion peace. You mama Toto Force Marcela Samba. Who's on have been there 98.1? Who's on have been there? Eh? Who's on have been there? When they kill people, sack people, beat people, marginalize people, even to you somebody where they work now you radio station because I talk to then go broke him motor car glass for destroy that woman. You ever say anything? Then and now, unawaka sidon, we don't believe, not see any civil society where say the possible they go write that letter. Say for send them to APC, mama and bombo back. Right now, no retreat, no surrender. Una read the film in name Tafaiko. So all man for prepare, the actor, the bad man, all man get for die for that film day. Tafaiko. So that make it clear. No civil society religious leader they will not believe again. We don't get what I expect for them. So then let them know that one day one time say we need to sit down for that case day. Because I had them begin kill, we begin call, hey, religious leader, what's on a day? Civil society, what's on a day? When they go beat, they go broke election boxes then. Cabinet calendar, we not ever condemn. Chief Minister, Chief 1.5, we not ever condemn, we not ever talk. Una cover. Then now wait time for disgrace them basta pikia because we know the pressure. Me and the boss, I be the pressure when they pa. I know the pressure when they pa. Right? Then now una the castle, now una the champion. Now make it clear. Hello, no. Now already with man they will give them power. Now then go sit down so then can negotiate. But beside that, we not believe nobody again at that country for Madabio now, no believer. Judiciary will not believe them. Religious council will not believe them. Civil society will not believe them. That alone make a clear tone now. So Madabio, that money they don't go give now, just all no more. Because not get for possible if an APC try. Yes, in fact now, after the Ramadan, the mommy cost no upgrade. Why they cost you? They call you mama and name back. Yes, the mommy cost now, so they can't begin there. What they cost you now, they call you na mama, they name them back. I make una mama they name them, don't get all na love salon. So all they cost, not of you mommy no more. Now they increase you mama in name. All they cost you mama. Because tire. And APC for no say we tire. Right? So this na him I want for me kuna know. This na my second message. My third message for una me people them. I want everybody understand and know say yesterday they for don't left severe blinding. Paulo Conte in WEF, they don't accept bail for him yesterday. But when it happen, that bastard became Amina Tape. We call himself Fatima Toto. Chief Minister, and then call na the courts. Say let them not left farm until Monday. So the woman wait for make the paper them, it just lost. They not see until 6 o'clock. Where 6 o'clock and say time don't go. So they can go the woman here and see if blood, then carry them go na Panemba road. You know why they do that? If he yesterday Paulo content where from he come out. If he yesterday then be left silver blinding, then for just don't say, well, wait till the about talk show, they under pressure, not true. But me, I don't tell them, say, na bongo fault then they pa. That cabin, that pride they want get. That bongo pride, that bongo fault. I like keep pride when they pan destroy them party, but they know they don't understand. And Adeba go continue for talk the things them. Adeba go continue for say the things them. And at this now one for me kuna sabi, now this now one for me kuna understand. They do on purposely, if they be left silver blood yesterday, they for say now because of the pressure. So now they say next week Thursday, I think I silver blood for appear back na court. Now the reason and they, but then they under serious pressure. Even when they not allow silver blood for come on, they get serious of call them back yesterday. Then they say, well, the time don't go, these are the excuse that they would give. But anyway, now way. Me no say they under serious pressure. So now this I want for make the people know. Then now they don't do one side, they don't begin try that side and I talk them. Now the people in Alonsai and Tombo concerning that riots them will be happen. I want to tell the Salon people and say they don't give 35% bail. Both Lonsai and Tombo, the people who them go old, they don't begin giving them bail. They don't begin left the people. This I want to make una sabilo on another one day. Now me people something the way they happen I want for react on Sierra Leone when I in the SLPP then they always use for kind of power. Now that thing then they always they use for the threatening people in Sierra Leone. When I then use say when they cancel after that first 25% result when they call force rounds. You understand? Now they allow they can cause rudeness now present and lumbly. You know why they do that? Because they know say na yanda the international community people where they represent their country and they start in now they made the rudeness so the people say so then talk here with them people where they talk them plan and them now we make them able for turn that election they for give this bastard picking from what them from Kamajo where Mendeman and they say they get over 45,000 Kamajo then till today anybody where they power where they talk about Kamajo then they say we get over 45,000. The number in go down, in go up. For more than that 45,000, till today na 45,000. If you not lie, una observe all the men they talk about Kamajo. I will go over 45,000. Now that one year number there, then they give no more. Till today na 45,000. When me they challenge you now, say na lie, then they lie me people them. They not ever na they lie get 45,000 Kamajo. You know the kind way how SLPP want for make Kamajo in that country, now they forbid the army in that country. If they ever get 45,000 Kamajo in that country, I swear to God, they for don't wipe up the soldier and the police in that country, now them for they. But they not get I know what it mean for maintain 45,000 people. You they pay them, then welfare, then this, then that, ammunition for you know what it takes. Why I said people, man, they might just share the life for people and no more. We get over 45,000. All 10 at 45,000 is the thing. No man know they go down. But I want to tell this alone people and say, these are the strategy where SLPP can use. Now lie then they lie. One thing about war front, to sabi who know, don't see rebel war, 2 rebel go there, once they get weapon the way heavy. If they hidden they lie. 5,000 advance na lie on them 2 days. When they call 5,000, then they fire heavy. Una de oba na una 5,000 if na 20 they na una the horn. Say 5,000 don't care. These are the information. These are the things that when you refer to one, so then they operate. They don't ever get 45,000 Kamajo. If they ever get 5,000 Kamajo, say I doubt. I doubt. Now lie in the lie. We got 6,000 Kamajo so side. We got 20,000. So now lie. If they ever get Kamajo, you know, ever pass 5,000 Kamajo then. At the talent gen. If then they said the 5,000 Kamajo then powerful pass soldier, why we can fast mark me propose say, if you want disband army in a Kamajo no wapu, you not count in a parliament law shoots them, if you're not there, well, they'll take them. Why they not be good at testing? Now they mix pepper. Then they put for themselves, they say na juju, na lie. The people them, they not ever get 45,000 Kamajo. I swear to God, if the SLPP then get 45,000 Kamajo, like that then for the now one party state to the game. Una mark me what? When the police and the soldier in that country, when you join them together, they not reach 10,000. The police and soldier when they at work, they not reach 10,000 when you join them. Una see how for upkeep them, how he acts. Now 9 months they don't say they don't owe policeman, they not give them rest. That day they go say they upkeep for 45,000 Kamajo. Now lie. All them talk them when they turn a lie now for let people afraid. They not get no 45,000 Kamajo me people and a lie then they lie. Now make this thing clear to they let people they understand. Now lie then they lie. Now that they always they use for threatening people then. You know what it mean for obtain over 28 years now, you say you get 45,000 Kamajo there. Nobody know die. Now lie then they lie me people them. This one just bring account to the noticement of Sierra Leoneans them. Now, una know what the power is on Sierra Leone? When Pakaba came in last 5 years, what he do? He give freedom. He give happiness to the people them. People them, he give democracy. When an Eskomaka, he empower them, he embrace them. 15 years, we don't forget about all what happened during the 10-year war. Even some man went and kill in one game Peking. Some man didn't kill him man. Some man didn't kill the person when they cut it tree. Some man didn't burn news. Some man destroy your whole life. Wait till they frustrate. But when an Eskomaka come, when things they go normal, people when they get job, musicians and they operate yanda, then they operate film, everything they go on normal, lantern, like como, like over the past 10 years, we don't forget all the things in there. But now me people are not the power person on a salon. The whole country, everybody gets stigma right now. Everybody gets where they warrior right now that country. You know why? Because as them bastard picture, mother don't can revive people and mind them. It don't can make people don't remember what you don't pass the 10 years. So man are before them. They say rape Peking. So man are before and they rape Peking. So man are before and they killing Peking. So man are before and they cut in human hand. So man are before and they burn the house. So man are before and see what them pass by people them. So man are before and mama. So man say let follow in mama. Then thing they all happen in that country. Then people are there to revive, remind them back. Then people are there to make people and they remember all that thing and they will make right now the country just they stand still. Because nobody know they happy right now at the country. So bad thing and no more now they see. Now they see grandpa, they go raping grandpikin. Then I don't tell, see them. Now they see all them tia. Then bastard pika, they say they want blood. They don't tell where they're angry. Like seriously, if you're angry, you know, go chami mama o kakayu. This now one for me kuna know. This are the two where they happen. But Kuman is gone to right now because some man don't forget to them killing mama, some man don't forget to them killing papa, and they keep going. But when see them bastard pikia come, then don't revive everything. Everybody just remember now the bad thing there. They make everybody go regret now. And some man don't blood you. Some man they say, well, what to be don't see if you want candy strip. What thing go be? And go cut in tone and get say, Lord, I make the film name Natafaiko. This is my message. Una stay blessed and God bless Sierra Leone. Anywhere na way, overtaking is allowed. Akulunkulun, kafita, yebe na yebe, usa ade na da ade, ayasa supagbo bekita economy. I mean, sikmido kemetas. That's why we are going up. Boys talk, men don't talk.